Hey, welcome everybody to the brand new video. Today's video is Patreon requested, by the way. It's for Yogurt. Thank you so much for sponsoring it. So today we're going to be checking out ATEEZ's performance of the Black Cat NERO. The title sounds familiar. I don't know if this is their song or it's by someone else and it's a cover, but anyways, it's a Halloween performance video. So yeah, with this said, now let's begin with it. But before we jump in though, guys, make sure you do check out my Patreon where you can request a song or a video like this, and also see more than 500 exclusive reaction videos to BTS, Twice, Red Velvet, Dreamcatcher, IU, Blackpink, live stages by these and many other groups like aespa, NCT, EXO, taemin, taeyeon, SHINee, SNSD, and others. And of course, K-drama reactions like my Mr. Hotel de Loona, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, Scarlet Heart, 81 Class, Squid Game, The Producers, Goblin, Crash Landing on You, and Dream High. So all of that is on my Patreon. The link is down below. And here we go. Here we go. Quality is good. Sounds good. Let's see. I forgot to check when this was released.
그대는 귀여운 나의 검은 고양이 새빨간 리본이 멋지게 어울려 그러나
Wow, I like his vibrato here. Right?
그러나 어쩌다 돌아져 버리면 얄밉게 앓기 돌아져 버리면 얄밉게 앓히어서 마음 상해요.
저 오빠들 이상해.
Yo, 야수, Turbo, ATEEZ, nothing out here. 모두 손머리 위, yeah, 자 손머리 위로. 모두 다 같이, 1, 2, 3.
Ooh, this guitar.
아지야 너랑 나랑 결혼할래 응해서 밖에 꿈마가 내게 청혼했어 정말로 나는 너무너무 우스워서 넌 어려서 안돼 했더니만 글쎄 서럽게도 내 팔에 매달려서 우는 거야 그래서 나는 섹스필 매달렸어 주사바라게 어디 도장
Oh, nice pattern. This is a weird looking move, to be honest. I don't know what I think about it. Oh, that was a good transition.
한숨을 쉬면 큰일 났지 하면서 화내는 스토 같은 꼬마 아침 내가 전부 하게 나름이야 하면서 알겠더니 여 같은 꼬마 내일부터 글쎄 유치원 나겠다며 휴 널렁했다면 나의 치고 흉내내는 꼬마 너무 귀여워서 답답 안아주고 팍
멋쟁이 그대가 사뿐히 걸어가면 무서운 고양이 뒤따라와요 달콤한 똥임에 속아서 간다면 후회를 한다 해도 나는 몰라요 검은 고양이 네로 귀여운 나의 친구는 검은 고양이 검은 고양이 네로 이랬다 저랬다 생각꾸러기
I hear the voice hitting mock to your tinny. Put 'em up, your hands, the you ready? Are you guys ready? Say you know. It's time to sing it together. Say 1, 2, let's go.
Hey, wait a second, what are you doing here? This is Jungkook, right? That's cool. Man, he's so big. Maybe I should have paid attention to the backup dancers. Maybe they were someone that I know as well. Uh-huh. Right. Yeah, let me know about the appearance. All right? What was that annotation? Okay. Right. So, this was Black Cat NERO by ATEEZ. I think it's a cover. So, yeah, about this one, to be honest, for me personally, I didn't really feel much of a connection to it. One is the music; it wasn't really my thing. Like, it sounded kind of. I'm not even sure what to call it. But overall, just not really the style of music that I listen to. And the choreography, I know ATEEZ, they can be super powerful. Their choreographies are really engaging a lot of the time. They're like, I think choreography wise, when it comes to male groups, they're one of my favorites. But this one also, I didn't really feel like I connected to the choreo that much. So, yeah, pretty cool performance. Was surprised by the appearance of Jungkook there. But I can't really say that I, like really got shocked by anything in this one, unfortunately. But it is what it is, I gotta stay honest as always. So, but at least I know about this one, so in case someone mentions it. And lately, I've been getting more into ATEEZ, so I want to know things if I can. So now I know about this one. So yeah, with this said, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you Yogurt for sponsoring this one, and catch you in the next video. As always, take care, keep listening to great music and watching great performance videos just like this one, and love.